welcome to the presentation of paper ID number 80 titled SMART, which stands for Stockpile Management with Analytical Regulation Technology. What is the motivation behind SMART? The principal motivation of SMART is to develop a system that advances the features and functionality of any existing inventory management system. This new framework provides a low-cost, accessible, and efficient structure with exclusive features such as automated alert generation functionality for stock reorder, a business growth report using prediction and data analysis, identification of expiry date with a bill generation system. We've utilized modern technologies such as Pega, big data analytics, and DevOps for building this ideal and optimized solution. What does the existing system have in hand for us? So currently the existing system works on an RFID tag base where in some inventories we still do have the manual entries. In this method, it is hard to retrieve old records with high chances of data loss, and the manual scanning of items might require additional knowledge to rectify incorrect entries. This could also increase your labor costs. So inventory backorder prediction is another feature we have in the existing system. It is used as a significant component of inventory models traditionally based on stochastic approximation, thus neglecting the substantial amount of useful information. In a dynamic market environment, it is necessary to focus on the decision making and the factors influencing this decision to optimize the outcome. This approach can focus on factors which are essential in the aspect of required business decision. What does our system provide? Smart is an advanced inventory management system specifically curated for warehouse management, large retail stores, and export or import industry. The system keeps track of the current stock details of the products. It checks for the quantity from the automatically generated bill and will calculate the number of items present in the stock in the retail store and that of the warehouse. When the stock quantity crosses the minimum threshold value or when the stock has reached close to an expiry date, an automatic alert will be indicated to the store or the warehouse to restock these goods. A predictive system will generate the reports based on the export quantities in a particular area and the sale of each product in the past, present, and the future. Finally, the system will send an automated email containing the business growth report attachment, which should further help improve the businesses and give a better solution in future. So what does our proposed system architecture look like? So our system is spread out across four phases. The first, the stock, then the sales, then comes bill, and then the report generation. So to talk through you in detail, I will go over the proposed system. The proposed model accomplishes bringing multiple technologies under one roof and develop a smart, effective, and efficient solution for an analytical regulation-based stockpile management system. The model comprises of four stages as stated before, and it accomplishes the following goals. First one, stock. The first stage where the database is created for the incoming stock into the warehouse from the various vendors. So this is basically the stocks that we receive after an order is placed. Second is the sales. The database updates the value of goods from exports and imports, that is the buying and selling from a retail store or from one of your shops. Then comes the billing system. Once a bill is generated, it allows you to understand the amount of stock that is left behind in the warehouse and that in the retail store. And after each purchase, the database is updated dynamically. And now comes the fourth phase where reports are generated based on the sales and it provides the preferences of various customers altogether. So in this phase, like you will be able to understand what kind of products a particular person or a set of buyers are trying to gather from here. So let's take a simple example to understand this scenario. Let's say that you reside somewhere in a cold country like Canada. So here people would rather prefer hot drinks from Tim Hortons like a coffee or a latte rather than going for a Coke or a Pepsi, which is a chill drink in the chilly conditions. So it is very important to analyze what kind of products make the sales, and that is what our report helps you create. So how does our product work? So as stated, the goods come into the storage unit or the stockpile management or the inventory, which is better known, and the required amount of stock is moved to the stores on demand. Based on the stores bills that are being generated, a BI report is created on a monthly basis. And once the threshold value is reached in the retail stores, An automatic request is sent to the inventory to restock it. So how do the new stock details are added into the stockpile database. A required amount of stock, as we said, moves into the store for retail purposes. Once it reaches the retail stores, all the bills are updated and we will have a count on how many products are left in the store. So then comes our condition where the number of pieces, if is greater than the threshold, then we just keep waiting for each bill to get added and know that so many products are left behind. But then if a particular product reaches the threshold amount, say I had 100 Maggies coming into my hand at the start of the month, but then now I have only like 10 pieces left and it's in high demand. So I know that my users are going to buy it. So now I will, once this condition is false, I again go and make a required amount of stock move to the retail store from the warehouse. So this is how our product takes in the live management. So what are the merits of having this kind of a system? It reduces the risk of overstocking of products to prevent damage and expiry, depending upon how the product moves and the product can be restocked. The second thing, it provides the customer a better service. You would not have or you would not be lacking behind in providing them something. You know that the stock reorder system would have already bought the product and you don't have to worry like this particular product isn't available. Another thing is the BI reports of the selling products for an improved business system. So this point stresses on the field where I had spoken about the Tim Hortons example beforehand. It integrates the entire business process of the warehouse into one single application, and the application can be easily worked on in case of any future enhancements or future implementations as it is being developed on platform like Pega. So what are future enhancements that we are looking at? The main thing is determining the frequency for ordering and forecasting accordingly. For those customers concerned with the details of security, an upcoming package can be developed to provide a more flexible and easier method for them to communicate between the warehouses and the retail store. To stream analytics can be implemented from a more accurate forecasting method, and the product can be expanded as per the need of the company as the system is designed in such a way that the provisions can be made provided for further enhancements. In conclusion, the system is a solution and an improvement for all stockpile management factoring systems in various aspects of warehouses, stocks, distribution, and purchasing. As demonstrated, the proposed model improves the components of existing system and is always one up on every prominent feature. The model allows the end user to access multiple resources in a single application. Once a staff is onboarded to the smart application, they can update the data on new sales and purchases, intimate their managers on the expiry dates and damaged goods. The update is saved in the database is used for the business intelligence reports. These reports are insightful on product sales and distribution. Thank you very much.